Good morning students. In previous video, we learned how we can reuse various things instead of throwing them as a waste. Today, in this video, we will discuss about plastics. So, let us start. Students, it may be a little difficult to imagine our life without plastics. Let us see some common things that we use which are made of plastics. Toys, pens, combs, buckets, bottles, and water pipes. The list is very long. Parts of bus, car, radio, television, refrigerator, and scooter are also made of plastics. Students, as we know that polythene bags and some plastics do not rot. So, polythene bags create a big problem in garbage disposal. The use of plastics in itself might not create so much of a problem. Students, problems arise when we use plastics excessively and are ignorant about ways of disposing their waste. This is what is happening all around us. We might even be acting irresponsibly, knowing well about its harmful effects. We often use plastic bags to store cooked food items. Sometimes these bags may not be suitable for keeping eatables. Consuming food packed in such plastic bags could be harmful to our health. Many a time, shopkeepers use plastic bags that have been used earlier for some other purposes. Sometimes bags collected by rag pickers are also used after washing them. Use of such recycled plastic bags to keep food items could be harmful for our health. For storing eatables, we must insist on use of plastic bags that are approved for such a use. Students, all kinds of plastics also give out harmful gases upon heating or burning, and these gases may cause many health problems, including cancer in humans. So, the government has laid down guidelines for recycling of plastics. You must have noticed that people often fill garbage in plastic bags and then throw it away. And when stray animals look for food in these bags, they end up swallowing these. Sometimes they die due to this. The plastic bags thrown away carelessly on roads and other places get into drains and the sewer system. As a result, drains get choked and the water spills on the roads. During heavy rains, it might even create a flood-like situation. Let us revise what we have learned today by solving some questions. Question number 1. Which of the following articles are generally made of plastics? Option A, toothbrush. Option B, comb. Option C, buckets. Option D, all of these. And the correct answer is option D, all of these. Question number 2. Consuming food packed in plastic bags. Option A, always good for health. Option B, could be harmful to our health. Option C, both A and B. Option D, none of these. And the correct answer is option B, could be harmful to our health. Question number 3. Plastics give out harmful gases. Option A, upon heating. Option B, upon burning. Option C, both A and B. Option D, none of these. And the correct answer is option C, both A and B. Practice makes perfect. Students, these are some homework questions that you need to solve at your home. I hope that you will answer these questions correctly. Thank you.